In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add zoom sliders on Axis and Power BI Visual. Zoom sliders are a simple way to let you and your report viewers zoom into dense data, like long-time series or wide category lists, without changing the underlying visual or creating separate filtered views. They're perfect for exploring trends more closely while keeping the full data available when needed. Start by selecting the visual you want to enhance. Click directly on the chart in your Power BI report so it's active. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline and the formatting options on the right become focused on that visual. Next, look to the Visualizations pane on the right side of the screen and switch to the Format tab. This is where you control how the selected visual looks and behaves. Within the Format area, find the section labeled Zoom Slider. Expand that section, then enable it. That's it. Power BI will immediately add a zoom slider to the axis of your visual. In many cases, you'll notice small handles appear along the bottom of the chart on the horizontal axis. And for some visuals, you may see a similar control on the vertical axis as well. Once enabled, the slider lets you drag the handles inward to focus on a narrower range of your data, then drag them back out to restore the full view. This gives viewers a smooth way to inspect specific periods, categories, or value ranges without using slicers or changing filters. It's especially helpful for line charts, area charts, and bar or column charts that have more data than comfortably fits on the screen. If you don't see the zoom slider section, there are a couple of things to check. Make sure you've actually selected the visual, confirm you're working with a visual type that supports zoom sliders, and verify that your Axis data is suitable for zooming. Most Cartesian visuals support this feature, and it typically works best when the axis is continuous. Also, ensure you're using a recent version of Power BI Desktop so the option is available. Remember, enabling the zoom slider applies to the visual you currently have selected, so repeat the same quick steps for any other charts that would benefit from interactive zooming. When you publish your report, viewers will be able to use the sliders in the same way, making exploration easier and more intuitive. And that's all there is to it. You've added zoom sliders to your Power BI visual and given your audience a powerful, user-friendly way to dive into the details.